This is a quick video on replacing the or removing rather the Joyor front tire. The process is reversed to put it back on, but just wanted to show you what you'll need. You'll need like a little Phillips head screwdriver, something to kind of tap it with, and then 2 Allen wrenches. You got 2 Allen wrench screws on both sides. So once you get it broken, go ahead and get it unscrewed. You're gonna have a couple of wrenches that you got. I'm sorry, a couple of washers that you got to really look out for. There's one here, a little locking wrench on that. A locking washer on that side, along with the screw. There's one on the inside, just right next to the tire and bearings. And then typically you're gonna need to, almost all the time, you're gonna need to put something through. You can use either an Allen wrench or you can use a screwdriver. I usually just use a screwdriver to tap it. And once I can get it to the edge there, it'll generally come on off for us. Alright, you got another washer there. I think I dropped it, but just make sure you look out for it. And that removes your front tire. There's the washer. That removes your front tire from the Joyor scooter. Thanks.